Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now to add any photo you want, click on this little icon with a camera and a picture at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on Gallery, select Folders, and click on your photo over here. Click on Gallery, hold it over here and tap on Add at the top right corner, or simply select it from this section. As you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!